911, advise that for you. 911 ready. Mission successful. I'll copy. 911, stop the roll.
Well, man, Lightning 1-2. Those were good hits, but we're still taking some fire. Immediate to re-attack approved. Same 5 lines, same marking restrictions.
No, not from this side.
We can't.
Oh,
Command, safe on deck.
Lightning. And Lawman, just for your heads up, we got some JFO prep students we're going to be putting on next. We have 3 JTECs on the hill with us that'll be overseeing, and it'll be passive approval.
110, standby,
advise ready for game planning. Lawman 1-1. Advise ready for game plan 9-line. Over. Got a Type 1 bomb on target. Gun. Section tactics. Break. Advise ready for 9-line. Over.
Lawman 1-1 ready.
Delta 3. Elevation 5 feet. 2 by tech vehicles entrenched. Location Tango November 116538. Talk on north 800 meters. Right pole backed overhead. Advise ready for a marshal shooting.
Lawman 1-1 ready or mark instructions.
Final attack heading 080 through 110. Stand by cast DOT over. Go with Rebex when able.
Lawman 1-1 stand by just a minute.
So what he's doing now, he's just putting that into his sensors.
Roger that.
See? Hello?
Lawman 1-1 reach back 5 feet. Tango November 116538. Right pole 080 through 110.
Good readbacks?
Good readbacks.
Correlation.
Stand by for correlation.
And There you go. So your sensors line forward to 6, and you should see a giant white and go what we went through.
Roger that. Lawman 1-1, advise ready for correlation.
Lawman 1-1 ready.
If you slew your sister systems through 4 and 6, you should see a white box in the AO.
It's gonna be a white. It's gonna be a giant. It's gonna be a large square outlined by white rocks.
It'll be a giant square outlined by white rocks.
Lawman 1-1, capture tally target.
Alright, in the middle of that white box there's a white circle. Call contact.
Lawman 1-1, tally white circle.
West of that white circle, 50 meters, there is a white, 3 white rocks in there.
Call contact.
Call contact.
Lawman 1-1 is tally those white rocks.
That is your target.
That is your target, over.
And then you're gonna ask him. And Lawman, what's the earliest?
Lawman 1-1.
Actually, stand by. And Lawman 1-1, this is Lightning 1-1 actual. Just wanted to make sure you confirm me. Just a quick admin note that there is a NFA above that shack.
Lawman 1-1 copies NFA around the shack.
Lightning. What's the earliest TOT you can make?
Lawman 1-1, this is Lightning 1-1 Bravo. What is your